Hello 10th class, we are here for the 7th chapter of history, that is print culture and the modern world. Well, in the previous videos we have gone through the journey of print culture. Now as we were talking about India, now in India also the women, द मिडिल क्लास होम्स की जो women थी वो भी उनका भी नंबर जो था वो इंक्रीज हुआ. दे ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड रीडिंग द बुक्स. Many of the liberal husbands and fathers, they started educating their women folk, है ना. They sent them into the school and they started them educating at home even. When women's school were set up in cities and towns after mid 18th century, they started sending them there also. But in the orthodox families where the women education was not allowed, in many of the Hindu and Muslim orthodox families it was not allowed, but that also the women took initiatives. They started reading the books and print material on their own. वो सीक्रेसी में, किचन की सीक्रेसी में बैठ के पढ़ लिख लेती थी. Well, he has given the example of a lady writer, Rashtrasundari Devi. She was from East Bengal. She was a young married girl, but she was married to married in a very orthodox household family. जहाँ पे उसको अलाउड नहीं था, and she read the books in the secrecy of the kitchen, and then she wrote her autobiography also, Amar Jeevan. This was published in 1876. Bengali language में it was published in 1876. Then 1860 से a few Bengali women like Kailash Bhashini Devi, she also wrote books. और उसमें उन्होंने women के experiences को share किया उसमें, है ना, कि how women they are is like लिविंग देयर लाइव्स, जैसे इम्प्रिजन्ड होती हैं घर में, उनको इग्नोरेंस में रखा जाता है, उनको डोमेस्टिक काम में ही बिजी रखा जाता है. ये सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए थे कैलाश भाषिनी देवी ने. देन इन 1880s ताराबाई शिंदे, पंडिता रामाबाई, they also wrote something about the miserable lives in the upper class Hindu women, especially widows. So her language में Tamil, Bengali, Marathi print culture was now available. और women के participation से soon a large segment of it was devoted to the education of women. वुमेन एजुकेशन के जो इश्यूज थे, वुमेन से रिलेटेड बाकी के इश्यूज थे, जैसे विडोहुड है, विडो री मैरिज है, ये सारे जो थे वो ओपनली टेक्स्ट में शेयर किए जाने लगे. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, नेशनलिस्ट मूवमेंट में तो प्रिंट कल्चर का 20th सेंचुरी तक आते आते तो ग्रेट रोल था. पंजाब में राम चड्ढा थे, उन्होंने पब्लिश किया था स्त्री धर्म विचार, जो वुमेन को, लेडीज़ के लिए, ओबीडियंट वाइफ्स के लिए जो कुछ टीचिंग्स थी उसमें. So there are so many examples in your book which show that how the women folk, they started taking interest in the text, and how they started reading the material and even publishing their own autobiographies, or they started sharing their own experiences. They started sharing that how the women in the upper middle class families and upper class families, उनको कैसे क्या क्या उनके experiences हैं, and all the women issues like widowhood, widow remarriage, women education, they were being discussed, openly discussed in the or printed in the books. Thank you.